Hey everyone, it's Miss Kabamba here, and today I'm going to teach you how to achieve this look. I love it. Such beautiful bright colors, and as you know, pink is my favorite color, so let's get right into it. So first I start out by brushing my eyebrows. Gotta brush them real good. And then I grab my dip brow and I just fill them in, you know. Keep on filling, keep on brushing them, and I show you guys the difference with just filling in my eyebrows and brushing them. I didn't outline them yet, and here I outlined it with just foundation here, and I'm patting my skin with my beauty blender and brushing it just a little bit just so like looks good. And here's a concealer. I put the concealer around my eyebrows and I patted that with the beauty blender as well. And here I'm adding the kind of like hot pink eyeshadow from the Modern Renaissance palette. And here I had to put the concealer because, you know, to do a real good cut crease, you gotta have a base color and then add the concealer on top. So after adding the concealer on top, I took my Carla Cosmetics palette. It's called Sweet Dreams, and it's also a Black-owned Canadian brand, y'all. Y'all need to support. I already told y'all about this in my last makeup video. Y'all have to check that out too. It's so bright. I love how bright it is because, as you can see, the Modern Renaissance pink I have is more a natural pink, and this pink is a very bright pink. But I think bright colors really complement my skin. Here I took my eyeshadow brush and then I put a little bit of hot pink under my eyes, and over here I grabbed the low brush and I'm taking like, it's like a light pink kind of white shimmery color, and that's where I put it on top of the concealer, because when I put it on top of the concealer it sticks, and that's how you do a really nice cut crease. Y'all see how it's looking? It looks so good, y'all. Oh my gosh, I did that. Proud of myself. Okay, so here I grabbed the powder, put it all over my skin, and I grabbed the blush. My blush is literally the Modern Renaissance pink because I'm like, let me just use a little bit of eyeshadow as blush. No one will know. How will they know? They'll never know. How will they know? I got that from TikTok. I am so irritating. Okay, over here, I'm just still putting blush and highlight. I love putting highlight on my nose, like right there, and it just pops. It looks so good, and I blend it just a little bit with my finger so it doesn't look like too much. I love putting highlight on top of my lips as well, and we're putting more highlight on my cheeks. And this highlight is kind of like a pink highlight, which I really like. I really ate this look. Y'all, I'm really liking the makeup looks I'm doing lately. I used to do more natural makeup, but now I realized, yo, I could actually do like looks, like recreate them and just make videos of them. I hope you guys are enjoying them as much as I am, because they're really fun to make. Over here we got the liner, and I'm the queen of liner. You see how sharp that is? I used to have to like pull my eyes just a little bit to do a sharp liner, but that was beginner Carol. Carol now can easily do it. Look at that. Effortless. Effortless. Beautiful. We love a sharp, thick liner. Also, I have kind of like hooded eyes, so that's why I do really thick eyeliner, because if I do really thin eyeliner, it will look a little wonky because I got hooded eyeballs. It's kind of looks like double eyelids for those who don't know. Beautiful. Wow, the colors are so bright. I'm obsessed with this look. As you know, hot pink and just pink in general is my favorite color. That's why I like incorporating pink in my looks. I think it's a lot of fun. Oh my gosh. Yo, watching this and just doing the voiceover is making me want to do another makeup video right now. Also, check out the inspo. Y'all, I'm always doing like eyeshadow kind of inspired by other people, and I want y'all to check out their pages. That's Alyssa. It's my sister's friend. She's really talented. She's on Instagram. Show her some love if you're on Instagram. Lip gloss. My lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is cool. All the boys, something. What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? This is the setting spray. A lot of people use the MAC setting spray. Ooh, get into the details. Sweetheart, you really did that. Wow. Future me is so proud of past me doing this. I love it. I love it so much. Scrumptious. Delicious, actually.
And we've reached the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more things, you gotta like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell to be notified of my somewhat weekly uploads. I have a lot of fun, cool videos on not just makeup, but hair, animated story times, a little bit of vlogs, fashion too. I do it all. So subscribe if you want to be part of Miss Kabamba gang. Hey everyone, it's Miss Kabamba here, and I'm gonna teach you how to achieve this look. So let's rate hot. So I was doing my makeup while live streaming, and people were saying hello from Mexico, Linda, or hi from Ecuador, Linda. Everyone kept calling me Linda, and I was like, my name's Carol though. So then I did a quick Google search on maybe Linda means something, and they were calling me beautiful. Linda means beautiful. Gracias! Oh my gosh, y'all think I'm pretty? Y'all think I'm pretty? Little old me.